Welcome to another programming stream. Hi guys, I'm very excited. I wasn't gonna go live. What the fuck is with this camera, guys? This one's fine. It's just this camera. What happened? There's a signal. Alright, hold on. Let me see. Please work. What is happening with this camera? Did I like break it? This is the second stream in a row that it doesn't work. Two streams in a row. Well, something's not right with this. Hi everyone. Something's not right with that camera. My other ones work. Like, this one works. Ah, God. The cable might be busted for this one. I feel like the cable might be busted for that one. Hold on. Oh, it came back. Who knows for how long? Hi everyone, welcome. I honestly wasn't going to stream today, but I made something cool. And now I want to test it out. Hi Neko Stitches. Hello Neko Stitches. I want to show you guys something real cool that I made today. And I kind of need to be live to test it out. That's why I'm streaming. Another exclusive Kick stream. This is not a world's first, but it's a me first. You guys want to see a really cool screenshot? What have I been cooking up? Can I get some people into... How do I build up some hype into the stream first before I show it off? How do I build up some hype? It's not that cool. Okay, I'm building it up as if it's something cool. I'll show you a screenshot. You ready? You ready? This is gonna look like not a big deal. Ready? Ready? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? I made my own Kick extension for Streamer.bot. Now, it's gonna be really confusing to explain why I did this. There's a reason why I did this, because you might be wondering, Nutty, why are you doing this? Didn't Streamer.bot just announce that they're adding Kick support? Why are you building your own Kick extension? This is where the communication gets difficult, because there's a technical reason why I did this, and it will make sense. Streamer.bot doesn't support channel points. My shit does, okay? That's why I did it. Okay? And I want to test it out today. I'm not going to be streaming forever, by the way. I wasn't even going to stream. I didn't decide to stream until literally 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago, I was like, I might as well stream so I can show this off to people. Let's post a teaser, though, on Discord. I'm going to post a teaser on Discord. I'm building my own Kick extension for Streamer.bot. Do Kick messages work in Streamer.bot doc? They're not showing for me when I multi-stream. Are you on the latest alpha that you need to pay money for? But wait, I thought Streamer.bot was getting Kick support. You say? Well, yes, it is really true. Streamer.bot is poised. That's too cringe of a word. Will be releasing official support for Kick. There are still some functions that will not be supported. Those being... How do you do dot points? I'm just gonna do that. Channel points. Rate hosts. I.e. raids. Polls. Etc. Therefore, my extension will be adding these functions. TLDR, Kick channel points are coming to Streamer.bot. My new extension will be adding. There we go. Is that enough of a is that enough of a building hype to you guys? Okay. I'd like to demonstrate what it is I'm doing today. Like I said, today's stream is very not going to be a long stream. Just so we're clear, okay? I don't want people to be like, "Oh, you're going to stream for 10 hours." Probably going to stream for like 4 or 5. Which is a decent amount, okay? That's still a decent stream. But yeah, as you can see, if you guys were here last stream, when did my last stream? Was it yesterday or the day before? We do have Kick multi-chat. We have Kick multi-chat. We have Kick sideways chat. We do have Kick sideways chat. Show the Kick sideways chat. It should be right here. It should be right there. Yeah. We have Kick sideways chat. And we also have Kick alerts. We have Kick alerts. That's what we did last stream. Captain Speakeasy. Hello. Captain Speakeasy. Yep. So that's that, which is fun.
Do a barrel roll.
Fuck off. When can we get this? Who knows? Who knows when we can get this? But let me show you. See, when you right click, you'll have triggers for Kick right here. You can do channel points. You can do raids, which are hosts. You can't do a lot, okay? I've intentionally not added a lot of things because number one, I want this out as fast as possible. Number two, Streamer.bot already has Kick support. So I basically only made this extension to add things that Streamer.bot won't have for the most part. There's some overlap, so there's like subscriber alerts and everything, but it's very, very, very simple. I literally made this in like an hour. Made this like an hour or so. Hello, LDH. Wait, I'm not live on Twitch, am I? I'm not live on Twitch. Why are you watching me? Hello, Kick viewers. How did you know I was live then? Damn, an hour. You're not live on... Yeah, I can't be live on Twitch because I have turned on I've turned off multi-streaming on Kick so I can get double the revenue. Your Discord announcement? I didn't make a Discord announcement. Did I? Did I make a Discord announcement? Oh, I did. Wait, was this automatic? How did this work? Oh. I guess it did work. Pog? First time on Kick? Hello, my friends. I am currently testing a new Kick extension for Streamer.bot that I made. Come over to Kick. Fuck me. I'm live on Kick. Come and watch. You're getting a double notifications, guys. Don't care. My stream, my rules. In fact, I'm going to use a main announcements channel. We're going to use the main announcements channel for this because it's my stream. I'm super new. If you're new here, say you're new here so I know that you're new here because you're new here. I already pre-read it, homie. Bro, why are you being such a hater? Why don't you want to come over to the green side? Come over to Greenland, guys. Also, yes, I know this is the announcements channel. What are you... Not the stream notifications channel. What are you going to do about it? Cry? There we go. I've never been on Kick before, and NGL, it's just green Twitch. Holy weird. Yeah, but like, bro. I can't stream this stuff on Twitch because then I'll get banned. That's why I'm here. For all types of content that would get me banned on Twitch, I just stream here now. So you have to make a new account. Do I blast Twitter? Hi, Snow Princess. You guys, since this is a kick stream, I'm like literally not gonna waste any time talking about shit because I don't care enough to do that, okay? Also, my light stick hasn't come in yet, so I can't even show that to you yet. What do I want to listen to? What's today's playlist gonna be, guys? Like donuts with different flavors. What exactly is illegal? I'm doing something super illegal right now. Don't tell the government. Hi, Lit Boy. Hi, Bearded Oddity. No, here's what I want to show you, okay? You ready? LDH is already taken on Kick. I bet you it hasn't. It's a bug on the website. Refresh the page and try. Okay, LDH. Make an account on Kick, okay? But don't fuck it up at all. You have to get every single field right first try. Because I've noticed, I had this problem, and several other people had this problem as well. When you're making a new account on Kick, if you fuck up any of the fields and then try to do it again without refreshing, it's like, oh, this account's already taken, even though it's not taken. Just so you know. You're not the only person that's had that happen. Hi, Mandy. Yeah, today's a really short stream. By short, I mean like maybe 4 hours. I'm not going to stream for a long time today. The only reason why I'm streaming is because I just made something. And I want to test it. So I want to test it. I'll showcase what it is because, again, I'm going to keep today's stream as short as possible. I really don't want to stream for a long time because I have things to do. Probably not a good idea for me to stream. I have way too many other things to do right now, but just fuck all that. But yeah, you guys like the multi-chat, guys? You like the multi-chat? You like it, guys? All right, I'll show you it. I'll demonstrate. So what I've created is I made a very simple Kick extension. The TLDR is if you want channel points for Kick and you want it to work with Streamer.bot, you're going to be able to do it with this. This will be public, yes. I literally made it just today in like an hour, okay? So like, I don't even know how well it will work. I spent very little time making this, but I don't have any way of testing it. I mean, I have a way of testing it, but like, I want to be live to test this stuff out. So I'm going to ask you guys to do is, if you are thinking of subscribing, hold off, because I'm going to need your subs later, okay? I'm going to need your subs later to test all this stuff. But to demonstrate what I've done is over here in Streamer.bot, I'm sure you guys know how channel points work on Twitch, right? So basically, if you create any action, we'll just create a new one. What do we want this one to do? Eat my balls. What's the better version of Streamer.bot? Well, version 1 when it's out. It's not out yet, though. So now what I've added is if you right-click, go custom, I've added a whole custom section for Kick. Now, it's not very fleshed out. I've added most of the stuff that I possibly can. There's still other stuff I could add, like emote-only mode and stuff. I don't know if we're going to bother adding that stuff in, to be honest. Oh, hi, LDH. So, yeah, I have a new section here. And what you'll notice is there's a section for rewards. There's a new section for rewards. Hey, you got your name. Did you refresh the page like I said? Yeah. So you can trigger stuff. All of these different types of triggers here should work. Now, because I made this in like an hour, like 1 or 2 hours today or whatever, I made this very quickly. I haven't tested any of this stuff, and that's what we're gonna test out. So yeah. So before we do any of this, I actually made a list of all the events that I wanted to support. I didn't get around to doing all of it because some of it I just can't be fucked. But I made a list. So these are all the events I planned to support. I can technically do all this stuff for like sub-only mode, but like I can't be fucked doing any of this, so I can just cancel all this. So this is all canceled. I'm not doing any of that shit. We did poll created, poll updated. Yeah, all this stuff, we can't do poll completed, unfortunately. All the stuff within X is the stuff that I've implemented, and we're going to test out today. Kicks does not have bits. They're called Kicks, and they're not here yet. But apparently Kick is going to implement their own bit system called Kicks. So you'll be like, oh, thanks for 200 kicks. So yeah. How do you like the multi-chat? Bro, the multi-chat looked fucking awesome. It looks great. So, to test this out, I want to test every single one of these types of events that we have here. So we're going to have to go through one by one. We're going to have to go through one by one and test each of these events. So what I want to do first, rewards or channel points, yeah, is this is going to take maybe 20 minutes for me to do. We're just going to make some really shitty MP3 sound effects for each thing. We're just going to record it here. Test, my balls. That didn't work. Testing. Oh. Testing. Oh. Is that good? Does that work? Did you hear that? Hi, too, I'm an audio engineer myself. Okay. Wow, someone said something. Okay. Okay, this one will be kick, chat, message. Okay, we're gonna have to do this. You're just gonna, I'm gonna record a bunch of sound files so we can test this. A message has been deleted. A message has been deleted. Okay. Export this. Kick, message deleted. A message has been pinned. A message has been pinned. Is this too loud? Oh no, a message has been unpinned. I'll test these four first so you can at least see what the goal is of today's stream. So just to give you an idea of what we're trying to achieve. Right. This one will be kick chat message. Yo, the ultimate smash reward would be dope. What the fuck does that mean? Custom kick Oh no, did I crash it? Bro. You likely did it in Twitch, but add 2FA on Kick as well, dude. Nutty dude. Okay. So, if this works, every time you guys say something, it should make a sound. Wow, someone said something. 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 Someone said something. Wow, someone said something. Someone said something. Wow, someone said something. Wow, someone said something. Wow, someone said something. Okay, next thing. Kick message deleted. So we want to do the same thing. Okay, now this should trigger anytime I delete someone's message. Anyone want to have their message deleted? Would anyone like their message deleted? Hi, Buana. A message has been deleted. A message has been deleted. A message has been deleted. Nice. Cool. Cool. So you get the idea of what the goal of today's stream is, yeah? You all understand? Now we're going to do a pinned message. Custom kick. Pinned. Oh, I wonder. Nutty? Yeah. Or unit testing, yeah? For you programming people out there. Pin it. I will. Hold on. Yeah, I'm silencing you guys. Yep. He disabled rewards. On Twitch I did, yeah. But don't worry, we're going to bring channel points over to Kick. All right, test this out. Let's pin some messages. A message has been pinned. Okay, so that didn't work, but that's good. So message unpinned didn't do anything, but that's good. Something didn't work, and we saw that it didn't work. So let's see why. So message unpinning doesn't work. So why would that be the case? Pinned message deleted event. Pinned message deleted again. All right, hold on. I'm doing the thing, guys. Oh, interesting. Pinned message deleted event just doesn't work. A message has been pinned. Wait, what? That's weird. We have no data in here, but we have a folder for it. That's very strange. Super strange. I can't wait for you guys to pretend to be interested in what we're doing today. A message has been pinned. Okay, here we go. Pinned message deleted. Oh, interesting. It just doesn't have any data. So whenever you unpin a message, there's just no data. Interesting. What am I doing? I'm building a kick extension for Streamer.bot. A message has been pinned. That's really weird. Are you like the king of Streamer.bot? I'd like to say so, but I didn't make it, so I shouldn't take any of the credit, honestly. I just use it a lot, and I make stuff with it. The real king of Streamer.bot is Nate. He is the creator of Streamer.bot. That's really weird. $78. Na 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 na. How do I check if something exists? Does it exist? A message has been deleted. Dot contains key data else new JObject. Can we just do that? Is that a way to cheat around it? A message has been pinned. That's really weird. Huh? So when I unpin a message, I don't see anything. Time to bust out Tommy's logger. Yeah, you guys can't post links in chat, unfortunately. A message has been pinned. Oh yeah, what's the error that we got here? I got error of some sort. Who was asking about the website? Pin message deleted. Event data. That's so weird. No one give you money, that's all. Oh, that would be really sweet if I had money. Anyone want to give me money? That would be super awesome. A message has been pinned. You understand what it is I'm trying to do at least, right, chat? You at least understand what it is that I'm doing. Good thing you're getting money just streaming on Kick. I think I get more money if you guys talk more. I think that's how it works. The more active the chat is, the more money you get. I think that's how that works. A message has been pinned. I didn't get like an error or anything like that. Want to be a question about Amogus? What's your question? A message has been pinned. I don't understand. It's not running the pinned one, unpinned one. There was an error running the instance for Kick multi-chat overlay. What? What the hell is this, and why is it trying to run this? Yeah, that's fine. That's the way it should work. Timed out works. Did you install the right thing? It definitely works. What the fuck? It should be saying this. Oh no, a message has been unpinned. That's what should be happening. A message has been pinned. The game events depends on the game. Highly depends on what the game is. Pin message, deleted events. I don't know about those games in particular. Depends on, you're gonna have to use something external to Streamer.bot to do it. Pinned, what? I don't understand. cph.loginfo event type. Is anyone getting Donkey Kong Bonanza? This is my way of trying to connect with you guys on an emotional level. A message has been pinned. Chat message. What? A message has been pinned. There's an error running the instance for kick multi-chat overlay Newtonsoft. Current JSON reason on object path. Don't understand. The chat delay and kick is like old Twitch. Is it actually? Is it really that bad? Or is it just because I'm responding to you guys a million years later? A message has been pinned. Where's that logger? Did I close the logger? I think I did. Sucked in. You guys are watching the most boring content. Feel bad for you guys. How boring for you guys, right? I'm gonna use ChatGPT because I'm lazy. Just help me fix this. Nutty, why aren't you talking to chat? Because I'm coding, guys. I'm in the zone. What happens when data is empty? Make shorter, please. Will this work? Okay, let's try it. Hello, Gerg. A message has been pinned. Bro, I can't be bothered just... The fuck does this mean? Try to parse an array as an object specifically. Oh, I think I know what the error is, guys. I think I figured it out. I say I think, and then watch me not get it. I'll tell you what the error is. Ready? You put data. You have double data where? Where do I put double data? This one? I don't think that's going to fix it though. A message has been pinned. That's not going to fix it. You know what the error is? The error is... a message has been pinned. A message has been pinned. So when I unpin a message... Pin message created... Wait, what the fuck? Unpin. Yeah, this is an array. And I've assumed... Fuck me, dude. That's why... My code assumes that there will be data. There is data. Oh, I hate this. This is annoying. Okay, we're gonna use ChatGPT. I know enough to describe the problem. I'm in the zone because I want this to be done today, guys. This, sometimes the data is an empty array and it breaks. How fix? Please. Too long. Make shorter. Make it an empty J object if it's an empty array. I love being lazy, guys. It's the best. You reckon this is gonna work? Who thinks this is gonna work? A message has been pinned. Oh no, a message has been unpinned. Look. A message has been pinned. Oh no, a message has been unpinned. Okay, great. Now we can move on. Next thing we need to test is skipping all this stuff because I can't be bothered implementing any of this. New subscriber. Okay, we don't have to test this tonight, but at some point I need someone to give me subscribers. At some point. I will be begging for subscribers at some point. Can I... Do you think it's in poor taste if I go to Twitter and say, hey, give me money so I can test things? Is that in poor taste? Does your multi-chat work with Cake yet? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me whether it supports it. Custom. Subscriptions. New subscription. All right. If anyone wants to give me money, give me a sub, but you have to be a new sub and not a gifted sub. Do not do a gifted sub. It has to be... Oh, wait. We haven't made the sound effect yet. Wow, someone gave me a sub. Okay, I said no, not yet. Don't do it yet. No, don't do it. I'm trying to test something. You're wasting your money. You can do it later, okay? Thanks for $5 though. Wow, someone gave me a sub. Wow, you just got a sub. Oh god, I gotta rename these. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I gotta rename these. For my own sanity. Just for my own sanity, I have to rename all this stuff. So if I was to get a new sub,
You just got a sub.
it should say that. I think you're free to test it now, though. But no gifted subs. We're going to test gifted subs later. You can sub now. If you were going to sub, you can do it. But has to be a first ever sub. No resubs. I haven't been streaming here long enough to do resubs. No gifted subs, none of that. Has to be a regular first time subber. Are you subscribed? Well, just then we won't test it now then. All right, the next one will be a resub.
Smoke weed every day.
A message has been deleted. It didn't work. Why didn't that work? New subscriber.
A message has been deleted.
Someone subscribed for the first month and it didn't work. What? I'm so confused. Can I redo that one? Why didn't that work? Wait, don't talk. I'm trying to look for something. It just didn't work. Subscription event. I don't know why that didn't work. Thanks for the money though, but it didn't work. So now I got to go back to the drawing board. Why wouldn't that have worked? I hate these ones because I have to ask you guys to give me money. Actually, no, gifted subs I can test. First time subbers I can't test. Because I can just gift myself a sub. Kick new subscriber. If int months. Subscription events. What happened? Why did that fail? Dude, I really wish there was a way I could test this. Fuck. This is annoying. I haven't released it yet. You guys are asking for stuff that like I'm literally in the middle of working on. I obviously haven't released yet. Just wait for me to announce that I've released anything. That'd be null. Kick new subscriber. Kick resubscriber. We just want the future to be now. I'm trying, okay? I'm adding extra days of streaming just so I can get this stuff done faster. Hi, CC Boo 21. How do I even test this? I don't even know how to test this. That's annoying. Let's skip subscriber stuff for now. Because I have to ask you guys to give me money, and that's annoying. I don't want to keep asking you guys for money for something I'm not even sure if it's going to work or not. So we'll come back to the sub stuff. We'll do channel point redeemed. Sorry, this is my shitty way of just tracking the stuff that I have done. All right, stuff that we have confirmed works are all this stuff up here. Subscriber stuff we'll leave at the end because that involves money. Everything else we can test without money. So let's test out channel point rewards. A channel point has been redeemed. A channel point has been redeemed. That will do. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Why am I Okay, export. What's the next one? Incoming host. Host. Incoming host. So they're called hosts. They're actually the same as raids, but they just call them hosts to be totally different. But no, they do not function like Twitch's hosts when those were a thing. Someone just got banned.
A message has been deleted. A message has been deleted.
Okay.
Someone just got banned.
Okay. We exported this, yeah? Okay, got characters? Yeah! Alright. Happens.
Someone has been
Fuck.
Someone has been unbanned. Someone has been unbanned.
Definitely not that guy. Fucking loser.
A user has been timed out. A user has been untimed out.
Someone has poisoned the water hole. Alright, time to test each of these. Time to test each of these ones, guys. We're gonna do channel point reward. Custom, kick, rewards, reward redeemed. Play sound. Reward redeemed. Do your thing, chat.
A channel point has been redeemed. 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 A channel point has been redeemed.
Hosts I can't test because I need someone to actually raid me.
Has been redeemed.
So we'll come back to that later. Anyone want to get banned? Not here. You also test unban? Yeah, I'll add all that stuff now. So we got banned. Duplicate. You know the people that come in in your stream and then the only thing they do is they spam the N-word. You know those types of people, right? You ever think about like what's going on in their life that makes them do that? You know what I'm saying? Like someone literally set aside time in their day. They're like, "Hey man, I'm going to make a new account. I'm going to actually spend time doing this." Like, why? Why would you do that? Maybe they are like 11. I mean, that's not really an excuse either. But I guess it's more forgivable. Because I was imagining like someone was like 48 years old. Alright, who wants to get banned? Anyone? Anyone got banned? Anyone? Okay, it didn't work.
A message has been deleted.
So that didn't work. Wonder why that is. Oh, wait a second. Data token data. It's failing here because it's not parsing the data. That's why it doesn't work. Bro, help. Bro, help. How do I check if the token is a J array? If so, set it to an empty J object. Else, parse the data as normal. Hello, chicken nuggets. How did you find my stream? Huh. Most interesting. Most interesting, guys. Why isn't this working? Is anything working? Like channel points? Oh, that just doesn't even work either. I've broken something. Oh, good info. Guys, it's hot as fuck right now. Use channel points. That's a string. I think I have to tokenize it first. Bro, I need some line spaces in here. Jesus, fuck me. God, it's so fucking hot right now. I need to take this off. It still thinks it's a string. Can you parse something as a J token? Is that a thing you can do? Just parse it into some generic J token? I've never done that before. I've always done it straight as an object. Well, it's already a string. Can I convert? Oh god, fuck me. Take it off? You'd like that, wouldn't you?
A channel point has been redeemed.
Okay.
Someone just channel point has been redeemed. Someone has been redeemed.
I think it works. I think that was the fix I needed. Wait, I think subs will work too as well. I'm too scared to ask you guys to give me subs though.
A channel point has been redeemed. A message has been deleted. Point has been
No,
redeemed.
don't give me subs. It won't work.
A channel point has been redeemed. A channel point has been redeemed.
So let's see if I ban someone. By the way, if you guys get banned, oh, I can ban this person.
Someone just got banned. Someone has been unbanned. A user has been timed out. A user has been untimed out.
So that all works. So we can confirm all this stuff works. All that stuff works. You should be permabanned though, you fucking piece of shit. Fuck your mom.
Someone just got banned.
So yeah, channel points work.
A channel point has been redeemed.
Can we do message pinning again?
A message has been pinned. Oh no, a message has been unpinned.
Who wants to be a brave individual that gives me a sub, knowing full well, not a gifted sub, do not do a gifted sub, okay? Would anyone like to just give me a sub, first time subs only? Anyone who is not currently, oh, you're all subs though. Is there anyone here who is not sub that would like to be a sub? If not, don't worry about it. We can test resubs, but if we can test subs, it almost certainly will work for resubs.
A channel point has been redeemed.
That's fine. I'll gift the sub. I'm gonna gift the sub. That's right. You guys have done too much for me. But if I can make it work with gifted subs, it will probably work for regular subs. And like, if we don't get to test this out tonight, it's all good. We can test this out another night. As long as the code is there. You can do it right now, Soldier Boy Strike. You can sub right now. Wish I had the pocket to sub you, bro. It's alright, you can just say you don't want to sub. I'm just kidding. No, it's cool. I'll give the sub. I'll give 3 subs actually. Actually, I'll just gift 1. Fuck that. No, I'll give 3.
Smoke weed every day.
Fuck! It didn't work. It didn't. No, wait, that was a gifted sub. No, I said don't do gifted subs. It has to be a regular sub. I made that very clear. No gifted subs. I haven't done it for gifted subs yet. But thank you for a gifted sub. I made that very crystal clear. If you want, I can do the gifted sub now. So it can be ready for when you guys want to do it. Core, kick, sub, gifted sub. This is for exactly 1 gifted sub. I'll gift the sub. Don't worry about it. This one I can test. Oh wait, we need sound effects for this. Someone subscribed again? Someone subscribed again? That's That's my gifted sub. Oh, sorry, that's my resub alert. And this is for a gifted sub. You have been gifted a 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 sub. What am I coding in the title? You have been gifted many subs. You have been gifted many subs. There we go. Okay, cool. So what's this one for? Gifted sub. Then we're gonna have to do one for gift multi. Subscriptions? Nope. Sorry, just kidding. Custom kick. Moderation, not moderation.
Smoke weed every day.
Wow, you just got a sub.
It worked! It worked! Woo! Ignore the smoke weed every day one. That's a different thing. Disable, 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 disable. So no more smoke weed every day alert. Because that uses a different thing. I want to test my own kick extension. Thank you, subscription worked. I appreciate it. Which probably means that resubscriptions are going to work. So now we can test gifted subscriptions. So what we need to test now is if someone gifts me one sub and if somebody gifts me more than one sub. So 2 or more. So we can say gifted subs work. I mean, new subs work. We can't test resubscriptions because I haven't been streaming on Kick long enough to have any resubs. But I'm sure this one will work, so I'll just mark this one as done. Gifted subs, we're going to test out. Do the system also for Apple user? I can't, unfortunately. Actually, technically, this wouldn't be multi-chat, but I could make a chat widget for Mac people, but it would only work for Kick and nothing else. So if I get a gifted sub now, it should say this.
You have been gifted a sub.
And then if I get more than one gifted sub, it'll say this.
Gifted a sub.
Anyone want a sub? Anyone want to gift me a sub? Anyone? Anyone want to gift me a sub today, guys? Oh, thanks, Defeated Souls. Chaz, I always see the viewer. There's no way, unfortunately. There's no way. Why do I have so many viewers? Am I on the front page again? Front page check. Guys, check him on the front page. Wow, this is just organic. That's crazy. Not even front page. That's nuts. Yeah, I'd be sick if you gave me a gifted sub. We need to test 1 gifted sub and 2 gifted subs. If no one wants to do it, I'll do it myself. What am I coding? Bro, I answered your question. It's in the title. Yeah, there's no way to do... Thank you, Blackborn. I appreciate it. So that we can confirm that that one works. Now, to confirm whether 2 gifted subs works, and I'm going to do that right now. In fact, we're going to do it on the screen here, so you can see it actually pop up in the multi-chat widget. I'm going to give 2 subs to myself. Oh my god, 100. No, wait, fuck me. I was gonna do 100 gifted subs to myself. That's like fucking. That's like $800.
Gifted a sub.
Wait, no, that didn't work. Oh my god, we played the wrong sound effect. It's supposed to be multi. Oops.
You have been gifted many subs.
I think that worked. I'm still. Thank you for 2 gifted subs, LTO Varco. I'll still do it again because I said I'd give subs. I'll give 2 more.
A message has been deleted.
But I think that's about everything other than polls. We just have to test polls now. All right, guys, I'm gifting 2 subs. You ready for it? To myself. You guys ready? I have to click on the cars first. Here we go.
You have been gifted many subs.
There we go. Well done, guys. My kick extension is coming along great. Now, who wants to raid me? I think that will work. I will just say that the raids will work. I'm pretty certain that they're going to work. If I get a raid and I don't notice, make sure to call me out on that, guys. But we'll just say that raids work. No, I'm not. I can't upload this yet, okay? Bro, this project that I'm starting now didn't even exist 5 hours ago. It's not ready to go yet. But I will put this up on the website for you guys to download when it's done. So now we have to do polls.
A poll has been created.
Only one thing. I'm just waiting for one thing. Only one thing.
Someone has voted in the poll.
Why did I say poll like that?
Someone has voted in the poll. A channel point has been redeemed. A vote has been cast. A vote has been cast.
There we go. Unfortunately, there's no trigger at the end of a poll, which is omega cringe. Poll created. Custom kick poll created. Play sound. Poll created. And then this one. Custom kick poll updated. And with that, guys, we are completely done. We have tests for every single custom action that I have created for my kick extension for Streamer.bot. It's all here. It's all there, guys. I'm thinking about charging like $1 million for this. No. Scratch that. $2 million. All right, let's make a poll. See if polls work. So when I make a poll, it should make a sound effect. Okay, that didn't work. I guess we're not done yet. Just kidding. Just when I thought I was done, we're not done. Nutty, why don't you like ever answer a question seriously, homie? You're always so sarcastic, dude. Like, bro. Oh my god, why am I registering another... What the fuck? That's why that didn't work. Alright, let's take two. Take two. Alright, vote on this poll, guys. See what works. If this works, we're done.
A vote has been cast.
Wait!
A vote has been cast. 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 A poll has been created.
So the poll creation played the wrong sound effect.
A vote has been cast.
It's weird. So there's something wrong with this code here. If data.contains key has voted, that means a poll has been created. This data sucks ass. Like, how am I supposed to know?
Point has been redeemed.
How about if we do if duration and remaining equals the same thing? I don't know.
A channel point has been redeemed. A channel point has been redeemed.
Excuse me? Huh? What's wrong with this code? 96. Method name expected. Oh. Alright, let's try it again. Let's make a new poll. It didn't work. It didn't work. Chat, we failed. Value cannot be null. What the fuck? Guys, I wanted this to be done. Hi, L. Jordy. Oh, it's because it's under poll. Wait. Because it's under poll, you fucking donkey. I think it's this. Wait, I think it also detects when I delete a poll. Right? Hi, chink. TTT. Chinkwe. TTT. Chinku TTT. What should be the output? Wait, output of what? Are you making content? Are you making content? Haha, I wrote pool instead of poll. Lol. Lol, right? Guys, LOL, yeah? Can you close the prediction? Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I'll close it. All I need is poo.
A vote has been cast.
No!
A poll has been created. A poll has been created. A poll has been created. A poll has
I have
been
that
created.
boolean flipped.
A poll has been created. A vote has been cast.
So how do I know if a poll's been deleted? That's what I want to know. Like, based on the data that we have here, because I don't have a lot of data to work with, how do I know when a poll's been deleted? Let's test that out. We're going to create a poll. No one vote. Don't vote.
A poll has been created.
So what happens when we delete a poll? No, I actually think it just doesn't tell us. Is that true? There's no way. Testing this again. I'm gonna be the #1 lobster and kick. There you go. Add a boy. I mean, add a lobster. High code red Corey. Ring my bell.
A poll has been created. A vote has been cast. A vote has been cast.
Okay, oh, it's a poll delete event. Wait, they have poll delete events? Oh, there is a poll delete event. I should add that in there. I didn't know that was a thing. Okay, we're not done yet. I lied, guys. We are going to add a poll delete event. I didn't know that was a thing. I was unaware that this was a thing, but now I know. But we still don't have, there's no like poll completed event. Like at the end of a poll, we still have no idea when it ends. And that's cringe. But yeah, we can confirm that all this stuff works. What should we call this one, guys? Poll completed. So we're going to have to register this custom trigger. Then what we should do is your mom. Poll completed. I have to restart Streamer.bot because it doesn't register the events until I restart it. So we're going to have to restart it. In the meantime, a poll has been completed. Actually, we'll just say poll complete. I should be a voice actor, right, guys? I think I should be a voice actor. Who's your favorite Uchiha? Your mom? I don't know. That anime dude, whatever his name is. Sora from Kingdom Hearts. That's my answer. Custom, kick, polls, poll completed. Play sound. All right. No, wait. Not poll completed, you absolute buffoon. It's poll deleted. We can't do poll completed, you buffoon. Sorry, I'm such a buffoon, guys. I'll redo that one again. Poll completed doesn't exist. A poll has been poll deleted. Poll deleted. Put some extra sass on that one, guys. Poll deleted. Poll deleted. I don't like the way I said that. Poll deleted. All the Polish people in chat are like, what happened? Why am I being targeted? Poll deleted. I know it says like connecting all over the screen. I'll fix that in a second. Because I gotta restart Streamer.bot anyway. Okay. Ready? Need a host? Not yet. Are you actually streaming? Jin XZ? Are you actually streaming? If you give me 1 minute, I'll be ready for a host. I gotta restart Streamer.bot. Are you actually streaming? Are you ready to host me in a second? I'm working. Jinx. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, sorry, Jinx. My bad. Let's just check. So does this work?
A channel point has been redeemed.
Oh yeah, you can raid me now. I'm ready to be hosted. I'm ready to be hosted. Hi, Mandy. How's things coming along? We're basically done. We're basically done. We're just testing the last few things. Can I have my badge on the purple app? What badge? What badge are you looking for? We got to test deleted polls. Oh god, I didn't rename it. I'll wait for this raid, and then I'm gonna have to restart Streamer.bot again. Bro, I'm doing host nutty. Nothing is happening. Are you streaming? You have to be streaming.
Incoming
If you're not,
host.
okay. It worked. Thank you very much, Jinx. Never mind. It works. It works. Okay, I gotta restart Streamer.bot again. Restarting Streamer.bot. Thank you. That definitely works. Can I solve this before Streamer.bot opens again? I don't think I can. Let's try. And I can do it, guys. Reckon I can do it? Or the connecting symbols come back? Fuck! Almost. Polls. Poll deleted. Okay. Custom poll deleted. All right, let's test deleting a poll. Yeah, Northern Territory. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. NT. Nice try. Yeah, that's I knew what that meant. I definitely knew what that meant. NT. So I could get a badge if I did my purchases through your affiliate link during the Prime Week, remember? Wait, what badge are you talking about? What badge were you talking about? I don't remember, but I totally... That sounds something like something I would say. So I'm just going to give you a VIP badge because I think that's what you're asking for. Because I'm afraid that if I don't give you your VIP badge, you might make a video about me trying to get me canceled like everyone's trying to do with Pirate Software. So you can have your VIP. I don't remember saying that, but I'm just going to give it to you anyway because I'm scared. I'm going to wake up tomorrow with 70 videos on my YouTube feed. He's done. It's over. All right, let's make a poll, see if this works.
A poll has been created.
All right,
A
vote. You
has
have.
been cast.
A vote
Good.
has been
A vote
cast.
has been
How are you
cast.
guys
A vote has
voting
been
so
cast.
quickly? What the fuck?
A vote has been cast.
And then we
Poll
delete.
deleted.
Oh, dude, this is great. This is great. My only gripe so far is like I don't know when the poll ends. That's the only thing I don't. That's the only thing I don't know to. I can fake it, but I kind of don't want to fake it. Yeah, I think it's all good. I don't want to listen to this. Let's listen to something else. Yeah, everything's well, I guess I could just end the stream now. Just kidding, I won't. I'll keep streaming for like 2 more hours. Yeah, I can fake it. I don't want to fake it. I want it to work based on events. So if you guys are just coming in, welcome. Would you like me to explain everything that we've done? Because I think this is done. I think it's ready to go. I need to, of course, write all the documentation, which will take longer than me actually making the thing. But for the most part, it's all here. Nutty always say if you want to test Rage so people can come in your stream for testing. Sorry, bad English, dude. So what we've done is I've created a kick extension. Okay, this is going to take a while for me to explain. And I'm going to try to explain this as clearly as possible to you guys. But only if you guys actually give a shit. Do you guys actually give a shit about my explanation? Because I'm not going to go... It's going to be a long explanation. And I'm not going to do it if no one's going to pay attention. I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna just leave. I will try and focus. I'll take it. I'll take it. There's kind of a lot to explain. Okay, there's kind of a lot to explain. And this is only, you're only gonna care if you're a Streamer.bot person. Is there anyone here who like literally doesn't even know what Streamer.bot is? Anyone? Honestly, it wouldn't take me long to do a sub printer thing, but not in a way that I can give to you guys. Okay, so I'll give you guys a TLDR of what's going on, okay? I'll give you guys a TLDR of what's going on.
A message has been deleted.
That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, I'll give you I'll explain to you what's going on. So, you all know Streamer.bot, yeah? You all know Streamer.bot, yeah? So one of the things that people have been asking for Streamer.bot for a long time is support for Kick. And if you're unaware, Streamer.bot is undergoing some major changes right now that currently, if you want it, you need access to the alpha, which you need to pay money for on Nate's Patreon. I should probably link Nate's Patreon because you should totally pay for it. If you want to sub to his Patreon, you can sub to his Patreon here. I'm literally gonna link it. Pin it.
A message has been pinned.
So here's the thing. With the big update for Streamer.bot, which has like dark mode and everything. So this is Streamer.bot. It has dark mode. With the big update, one of the things that was announced was it will now have Kick support. So if you want Kick support, it is officially going to come to Kick. However, there's a big caveat about this, okay? There's a big caveat about this. Number one, it's going to be a paid feature. Now, it is extremely affordable. It is literally $2 a month, okay? And I don't want to hear a single person in chat be like, I can't afford $2 a month. You can afford $2 a month, okay? I don't want to hear fucking anyone be like, no, I can't. I won't be able to eat without $2 a month. You can afford $2 a month, okay? No excuses, all right? That being said, I do know that there are some people that are going to have some reservations about having to pay for another subscription fee. But just so you know, it will have official Kick support. So the two caveats are, number one, it's going to be a very, very small fee, which I think is totally worth it. But more importantly, although it does support Kick, one of the big problems with it is if you right click and you go Kick here, although it supports Kick, there's a lot of stuff that isn't supported. So a lot of the stuff that you're used to seeing if you stream on Twitch and you don't see here, why are these things still popping up? A lot of the stuff that you're used to seeing, like channel point rewards or raid alerts, like you'll notice none of that is in here. And that's not Nate's fault. It just so happens that Kick doesn't have it in their API, so he isn't able to add support for channel points. So this is where my tool comes in. Okay, this is where my tool comes in. So I've created an extension that will be free, so you won't have to pay for this. It's going to be a lot simpler, but it is going to offer some things that the native native Kick integration doesn't have. For example, channel points. I don't think it supports polls. Yeah, it's going to support polls, going to support raid alerts, all that stuff. And if for some reason you are a liar who says they can't afford $2 a month, you can use my thing for free. And we've been testing that here. So we just added a lot of basic events, and it will work very similar to native Streamer.bot. Just to give you an idea of how it will work, you basically make an action, you right click, and then instead of going to Kick here, you would go into custom and it would say Kick here. And you'll have access to all the different types of events that you're used to. Now, it isn't like as simple and straightforward as like the native ones. For example, if you want stuff to be triggered by channel point rewards, it's not going to be as straightforward because you'll notice, for example, this one, I added a trigger for rewards, for kick redeems, but you can't choose a particular kick redeem. Like this thing here is going to redeem no matter which channel point reward you pick in my stream. Like you can't pick a specific one, right? So what you will have to do when you install this, when I finally release it to you guys, is you'll have to make use of if else statements. So you'll have to do something, and I'll explain how to do this in a YouTube video. But you'll have to do like if equals blooper, for example. Then put this in here. And so now this channel point will only work for the blooper redeem. So if we do blooper,
A channel point has been redeemed.
but then if we do the testing one, it won't work. Yeah. But yeah, it's just like a way for you guys to get access to this will be a way for you guys to get access to kick channel point rewards in Streamer.bot. That you won't have to pay for. Like you'll get some extra things.
Has been redeemed.
You'll get access to some extra events that you don't have access to with like can you pin messages? Are you able to pin messages? Is that a thing? Like it's just very bare. You don't get a lot of things you can do. Yeah. There's no like pinned messages here. But my thing will have pinned messages. So whenever I pin a message, you can have it do something. If I remove it.
Oh no, a message has been unpinned.
A message has been pinned.
Did that make sense to you guys?
Oh no, a message has been unpinned.
Have you messed with Claude Code? If so, what are your thoughts? I have not messed with Claude Code before. Is that an AI thing? So yeah, did that make sense? Because I don't want to explain that again, but it works. 100%. Someone's gonna come in on stream in like less than 1 minute. And they're going to be like, Nutty, what are you doing? After I just explained it for 5 minutes. Is it available for download? Bro, Okay, I don't want to get mad because maybe you just tuned into the stream. I finished coding it less than 2 minutes ago. It hasn't been done. It's been done for like a minute. And you guys want to download. Like, just relax. It's not done yet. Like, I just finished it. But yeah. The kick shadow overlay you have, it's not released yet. I haven't released it yet. If I haven't announced that it's been released, it hasn't been released yet, okay? So you'll know when it comes out, and I haven't said anything, so it hasn't come out yet. You can use this in the beta. So yeah, one of the things that is annoying, and part of the reason why I even made this to begin with, is a lot of you may be familiar with this tool. This tool no longer works in the new Streamer.bot, and I don't think it's going to be updated. So anyone who's been relying on this tool for their channel points, it won't work anymore. So that's part of the reason why I made my thing. Just so you know. So need a browser source for extension? Yes. It's an empty browser source though.
A message has been deleted.
I have the beta in 37 too. Yeah, if you're on wait, is it in beta already? What's the beta? Is it in beta? It's not in beta yet, is it? It's still in alpha. Or am I wrong? Am I wrong? Your multi-chat tool is only showing Twitch. How about now? How about now? But yeah. That's it. I did all the things. I did all the things, guys. I should probably end the stream soon. I know I haven't streamed long, but I wasn't even intending on streaming today. I'll stream until 8 o'clock. What are you talking about? What do you want to talk about, guys? You want to talk about anything? I have beta and 37, and I was curious if you could use it in the beta as well. I don't know what is the beta. You have the beta and 37? Is there even a beta? There is no beta. Am I high? I don't know what you have because there literally is no beta. So. What the fuck is this? What is this? Nice.
Someone just got banned.
The beta does not support Kick, only the 1.0 alpha. Wait, what beta are you guys talking about? Can you do stuff like Kick PFP stuff? With a lot of custom code, yes. I haven't written any custom code for it, but with you can do it. Profile pictures are super easily accessible with like 0 authentication. That is not the beta, that is the stable release. That's like the latest release that anyone can get. You could do Among Us ban for Kick? Yes, I could do that. Alien language? No, this is just this is just a JSON file. So it shows if you know how to parse a JSON file, you can just grab it out of this. So yeah. Chat, I don't want to do work today. I have work to do. I don't want to. Can you just do all my work for me? Did you figure out the TikTok thing too? I should be unbanned. Should we try again? Let's see if I'm still banned. Am I still banned from TikTok? Streaming not allowed. Apply. Not approved or revoked. Apply again. Approved. Holy shit, guys. I'm unbanned, apparently. I'm gonna need this for a YouTube video. I have to make a marker on Twitch because I don't have the command set up for Kick. Bro, I'm on Kick with the Twitch dashboard with a TikTok approval in the background. It's like I'm trying to get banned. Keep getting that would Cream Elements plugin. I gave up on it. Really? So technically on Kick, I'm not right now. I'm not allowed to multi-stream when I'm on Kick. And for those of you that are new to Kick and don't understand how Kick works, that's only because Kick does allow multi-streaming. However, your partner income, which is the hourly wage that you get, is cut in half if you are multi-streaming. But according to my agreement, that doesn't count TikTok. So I should be able to go live on TikTok. I should be able to go live on TikTok. Because that's a vertical platform. How do I get hourly wage? Get partnered. That's part of it. Does every partner get hourly wage? Is that how that works? But if you get partnered, you get hourly wage. Yeah. ChinQTTT, are you a Kick person? Like through and through? Am I saying your name right? Because I keep saying your name is ChinQTT, but that sounds racist. So I don't want to say.
Has been redeemed.
You know, checkmark isn't partnered.
Incoming
Checkmark
host.
is verified, yeah. I need 10K a month to go full time. Reels, dude. Everything's expensive. I'm trying to make enough money off you guys, you generous people, because I'm trying to buy a fucking house. I've given up on buying a house. Actually, it's just not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. So instead, I might look for a
message has been deleted.
Because there's no fucking way I can buy a house. You have a raid? Did I get a raid? Wait, hold on. Did you guys just hear? Because did I tune that out? When I got raided just now, was there a sound effect for it? Or did I just tune that out? Oh, okay. Hi, Liz KTV. Thank you for the raid. Hey, we came from Liz's stream. Chin Cutie. Okay, thank you. If you guys came from Liz's stream, would you guys like to play a game with me? Would you guys like to play a game? I've created a game that is totally something that I didn't plagiarize. Welcome to Streaming Stampede. We're going to count some Pokemon. Missed the raid overlay. We can bring that over to Kick now. In fact, I'll do it right now. I'll do it later. I could do it for Kick. You could probably afford a house if you don't buy that GPU. I don't want to talk about it. It's not the GPU. Bro, I might push my PC back again, guys. I might build my PC next year. Because I'm buying a new phone next month. And I've already decided I'm buying a new phone. I'm too impulsive. Every time I'm just like, I want this thing. And then that becomes the thing that I want immediately. It has to be done right now. But yeah, I want to get a new phone. What kind of phone do you guys want? I'm very tempted to get a China phone. Because the China phones are insanely good. But I decided to be a normie and get an S25 Ultra. You know what? Okay. We'll play a game real quick. But you want to know the thing that convinced me to get an S25 Ultra? I didn't know you could do this. Okay? I'm trying to find a video of it. I'm trying to find a video. Let me see if I can find a video. But anyway, basically, I don't know why I care. Because I'm never, ever going to use this ever. Basically, with a Samsung phone, right? You can hook it up to a display and it turns into a PC, right? But here's the cool thing. You can buy these AR glasses that are USB-C and you plug it into your phone and then you have a massive screen that's like a PC. I'm never ever going to use that feature, but I'm like, that's fucking cool. Samsung Dex. Yeah, you can't do that on other phones, right? So yeah. If it's K-pop concert panty shots, you guys always accuse me of being fucking weird. Bro, I listen to K-pop for the art. It's you guys that are fucking weird, okay? All right, let's play a game of Streaming Stampede. Everyone, all you gotta do is very simple. You just count. It's very simple. Just count. Nutty is just a weeb. First of all, weeb is Japanese. Okay, K-pop is Korean. That's what the K stands for. I believe the term that you're looking for is Koreaboo, and I'm definitely not a Koreaboo because I gotta be honest, I know like no Korean, and I'm not like super into like. I'm generally not super into like. It's just the music. That's the only part. All right, you guys are all wrong. What did you say? Who was the closest? Okay, the answer was not 12. Oh, maybe you thought it was unique Pokemon? No, it's like Pokemon total. It's total Pokemon, just so we're clear for anyone who thought it's unique Pokemon. You might be able to use Dex on a Pixel in the next update, I'm not sure. I thought it was a Samsung thing. You weren't counting? Oh, that's the point of the game, though. I use my S9 Plus as a Streamer.bot deck and Dex. Oh, I've been using the new Dex. We're going to do that tonight because I'm still going to stream tonight. I should not stream too long because I'm still going to stream tonight. I'm still going to stream tonight. Congratulations, Ahmed. Not sure what Samsung... I keep saying Samsung. Samsung. Dex, but I like Virtue glasses. So Dex is like... when you plug your phone into a display, instead of it mirroring your phone's display, it actually opens up an entire UI that is like a PC UI, so you can like use your mouse and everything. It basically turns your phone into a PC. And I thought that's really cool. Again, am I ever going to use that feature? Probably not. But I thought it's a really cool feature. And that's what convinced me that I should probably just go the normie route and get a Samsung phone. You can still use your phone normally. Is it like one cable? Like one USB-C cable?
Pikachu.
I'll play one more game. Fucking the third photo is the best one. I paid 20 for this game. I would put this up on the website, and as much as I appreciate $20, that's very generous. $20 won't cover the potential legal fees that I'll have to pay for if I get sued by Nintendo. No, Kermit, you can use... So basically, if you buy AR glasses, you can plug it into your phone, and then a big desktop monitor appears. That's what I'm talking about. So you can use Samsung DeX with some AR glasses. So, like, if I go on a plane or something, and I want to watch some shit in my glasses from my phone, I can do that. Alright, you're all lost. Who's closest?
Pikachu.
The games end when someone gets it right. Someone has to get it right. You ever notice how Togepi is fucking huge in this game? I don't know what it is. When I rewrote this game from scratch, for whatever reason, Togepi became massive. No one's noticed that except for me. Should I try streaming TikTok, guys? Congratulations, Koramed. Wait, there's an Ahmed and Koramed. Are you guys the same person? Wow, you guys were like reasonably close, at least, most of you. Except for you, Rexports. You're pretty far off. If you want to watch a movie on a plane trip, just buy an Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, good idea. I'll pick one up today when I'm at the grocery store. Good idea. Oh my god, this kid's filming me. The reason I like Pixel, though, is because it's nice getting new features first and a few other perks, but Samsung DeX is so nice. Yeah, but I want a mega zoom camera. Okay? Yes, it is for when I go to concerts, okay? But that's a good reason, okay? Just leave me alone. I want a mega zoom camera. I like how Samsung phones can zoom in like 1,000,000 times and then they still look good. Does anyone have that phone? Anyone have that phone that I want? Is there something that appy that you can trigger an unfollow alert? Unfortunately not. But potentially I could make that. Will you fan cam videos? Chincutie, I don't know how long you've been watching me for. When did you discover me? I am the most annoying person when I go to concerts because I'm one of those annoying people, okay, that insists on filming the whole thing. Okay? I insist. All right? I have a problem. And it's annoying me that my phone's camera is so shit. Because all my fan cam footage is garbage. And like so far away. This is the one I went to last month. This would be so much better if I could zoom in more. I could have better fan cam footage. Nice toaster footage. Shut up, okay? They did walk right in front of me, yeah. That's the second time in a row that's happened. Bring one of your mirrorless cameras. Number one, hell no. Number two, you're not even allowed to. And so we're going to kick extension. The fact that native kick integration didn't include channel points was a real butt itcher. It's not their fault. There's a reason why they didn't do that. Yeah, they walked right in front of me. My favorite one walked right in front of me. And I almost collapsed. I'm just kidding. Not kidding. It was super weird. I'm like, whoa, they're all walking around and shit. I've been talking to the kick people. I already notified them about that. I also notified them about my global emote. So they know I'm going to push the issue on this, okay? Eddie didn't say anything, but I messaged Eddie. And all I got back was a Keck W reaction to my message. So I don't know if that's him. I don't know if that's him saying, yeah, we'll add your global emote. But for those of you that don't know, I'm trying to get a global emote on Kick. We're starting a campaign to have our own global emote. Yeah, we're trying to make this a global emote so that everyone on the platform can use it. Yeah. Fingers crossed we can make that happen. Yeah, dude, escalated. It's the only emote that I have that I think is actually global emote worthy. It's like, does anyone use the Craigasm emote on Twitch anymore? I feel like Craigasm was one of the most popular emotes on Twitch, but I don't ever see anyone using it anymore. It could be like Kick's version of Craigasm. You know, this is, Craigasm. it's like the Kick version of Craigasm. Bro, everyone used to use this emote back in the day. No one uses it anymore. But it's so good. That mean OBS plugin to send out 2 audio tracks to 2 streams. To 2 streams? Gotchi-gasm. Which one's that one? Oh, true. People probably use that one. That's not the same thing, though. Wait, can we have a look at all the Kick emotes? Let's have a look at all the Kick emotes. Kick emotes need some real people faces. Although I'll tell you what, okay? I want them to make my emote a global emote already before I get cold feet. I have a feeling I might get cold feet. I'll tell you why. Twitch global emotes used to be such a big deal, but nowadays Twitch emotes suck ass. They're all so bad. And I mean that with all offense intended in the world. They're just not good. Like, Twitch emotes back in the day used to be actual pictures of people's faces. But if you look at the list now, bro, it's just all this generic stuff. Like, all of this stuff is just generic. Generic shit that nobody ever uses. I've literally never seen anyone use this emote before, ever. Like, nobody uses any of these emotes. Like, what are these, bro? Sometimes I see this one used. That's fine. This one maybe. But most of these just don't get used ever. They're all really bad. So basically, what actually happened is a lot of people who used to be global emotes basically told Twitch to remove their emotes. Because if the thing that happened was like if your face was used as a global emote, you had to like sign some shit that basically means that like Twitch owns your face in perpetuity, and they can put your face on like merch and everything, and you get like no say in the matter, basically. And so all of the people who are global emotes that didn't agree to that, all their emotes got removed. So that's why like all these emotes, like bro, I miss back in the day where like emotes were people's faces like this, and people would actually use them. Nobody actually uses these anymore. Like I used to use Big Brother all the time. I used to use Fungineer. Does that exist anymore? Fungineer. I used to use this one a lot. So anyway, I bring that up because Kick doesn't have a lot of emotes, and I want them to use my face as an emote. But then I'm like, wait, what if they pulled the same shit with Kick emotes, and then they're like, we're gonna use your face forever until the end of time, and you get nothing for it. Are these official Kick emotes? These ones? Like, Kick doesn't have that many emotes, but at least they're good emotes. Happy with my Neo 60 CU. Did yours actually arrive, Technic? Yeah, look at Eddie and his big fucking arms, guys. Look how big his arms are. Him and his big fucking arms. I wish my arms were that big. Actually, I don't, because that would make it really difficult for me to like fit into doorways and stuff. Did you ever get that Dreamcatcher thing? I did. And you know what? I don't need any of you guys making fun of me, because I think I'm cool, and that's all that matters. I got my Dreamcatcher thing. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't that gorgeous, guys? It lights up too. Wow. It's gorgeous. What dreams are you catching with that? All of them. Even yours. Wait, did you buy 2 Neo 60s? Why? Why would you do that? Hi, Budalika. This is the second one I bought. I'm still waiting for the first one. Are they both the CU one? I just read this. There's one guy here on Kick I watch for hours, and he have mostly his face as emotes there. Yeah, that's what I like for my emotes. How do I make it as a League streamer? I'll have you guys know, I still to this day have no idea what League of Legends is, and I don't want anyone to explain it to me, because I think it's funny being this long into streaming and I still don't know what League is. I actually have no idea what League of Legends is. You guys want to watch more pirate software videos? I'm happy with this keyboard. I know you guys don't believe me and you think I'm going to get more keyboards in the future. I'm like still satisfied with this. I'm still satisfied with this. Bcam Camera 3. Like, look how pretty that is. I know I'll never see it on my desk because it's the underside of the desk. Is it heavy? It's very heavy. This thing is like maybe 2 kilos. It looks boring on top because I got black everything. But the bottom looks sick. Hold on. Bro, look how sick the bottom of this keyboard looks. Like, you got the mirror weight on the bottom. So, like, you can like, you can reflect it. Oh, no. It's, you know? What's on about? Hold up, what? For what? We're talking. We're talking about. There's nothing. It's just look. It's so reflective and like. You know, you see my face there. Look at it. It just. You know. Hi, dude. Dayho. What switchers are you using? Jincutie, are you a keyboard enthusiast? How nerdy are you about keyboards? Because this could be a very long conversation right now. Depending on your level of interest in keyboards. I got some HMX cheeses in this. HMX cheese. You guys want a typing test? No keyboard talk? Too late. They asked. I must deliver. They asked, okay? Here we go. Been streaming for a long time. Yeah, I've been streaming since I was born. What's up with this? This doesn't look centered. Is that good? Is that nice and centered? Does that look nice and aesthetic for the typing test, guys? Does it look nice and aesthetic? Here we go. $132. $133. I was close to guessing that right. Here we go. NGL, this sound making me boss. Oh. Don't you like the layout though? I made the layout specifically for typing tests. I made a layout specifically so I can do typing tests. That's the kind of person I am, guys.
A channel point has been redeemed.
Oh, thanks, Cosmic Crispy. Hey, I'm going to a concert next month called Cosmic Crispy. That's cool. Can you be friends with me? I'll let you tell your friends that you're friends with me if that's will make you feel better. You know? Nutty thinks I an okay chatter guys. That's Hey guys, for a small fee, I'll let you tell people that I'm your friend.
A message has been deleted.
What did they say? Did the AI delete what they said? What did they say? Did AI delete their message? Oh, nice. Goodbye. Bye. See you later.
Someone just got banned.
Bro, my bot thing is working real well, guys. I'm firing my laser. Okay. You guys want to see something really cool? You guys want to see something really cool? Activate Obi. It's nothing. It's nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I said it's a 6-minute follower, 1 day ACC. ACC? Animal Crossing? Hi, G the machine. Welcome. Alright, guys, the stream doesn't end until I hit the front page. That's right. We're on a streak so far, 100% streak. Every single stream I've done on Kick has been on the front page. So we won't end the stream until we hit front page. You're on the front page? Am I actually? No way, you're lying to me. So wait for a TikTok stream. I can go live on TikTok. That doesn't violate any rules, right? If I do that. Oh, I am front page. That's crazy. Okay, I guess the stream ends now. What's your OBS CPU percentage? 69%. I should make a widget that shows my CPU percentage on stream. Hey, if you came from the front page, click into my stream now so I know. Do you have Kick AI mod tutorial? Nope. Do I need it for something? You wanna know my CPU GPU percentage? You trying to hack me? Were you the government? Hello, Erica. Shut down Obi. Da, 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 da. My CPU percentage. Who wants to guess what my CPU percentage is? Anyone want to guess? Want to take a guess what my CPU percentage is? The government. 98, 69, probably 60-ish. Really? You think 60? Bro, my CPU percentage 2%. What the fuck? Where's the screenshot at? %. Now GPU percentage, that's a different story. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about my GPU percentages. I don't want to talk about that. Okay. It's very upsetting. My GPU percentage is like 40%. What are your blood sugar percentages? 420%. My blood is green. I bleed green, guys. I used to bleed purple, but now I bleed green. I can go live on the Clock platform. All right, let's go live on the Clock platform. Because I think they explicitly said I can go live on the Clock. But I'm only going to do it as a test to see if I'm still banned. Add an Intel Arc. Yeah, I can do that. Let's do that. That's a great idea. This new PC I want to build can wait another 5 years. You guys want to go live on the Clock platform? Let's see. Let's see if I'm banned, guys. Hey, we have to be in our best behavior, though, because I already got banned. So, if we're going to go live on this thing, we have to be on our best behavior, okay? Okay, guys? All right, I'm back in the clock platform, guys. Here we are. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the clock platform. It should be working, but maybe my Tickfinity hasn't connected. How do I connect Tickfinity, guys? I'm not violating any of my thing, right? I don't want to get departnered. Oh, wait, no, I can see it. There you go. Hello, everyone, on the the one platform that I am streaming to right now, guys. Hello, everyone. Can I get some roses up in here? Can I get some roses up in here? So I know that the roses work. Oh, thanks, Ahmed. Wow, that actually looks really nice. That looks really nice. Hello, Frank. Hi, Trashy Beef. Does horizontal work too? You tell me. Oh, that is not good. Okay. We gotta do something about that. That's not very good. How about, yeah, they work. They work. Horizontal doesn't work? No, it does work. What are you talking about? Thank you guys for the roses. There seems to be overlap. I know why. I haven't finished. I guess we can code that stuff. Would you guys want to see me do more coding stuff? Would you guys like to see me do more coding stuff? It's ready for download? No, it's not. Don't ask, okay? You'll know when it's ready. Can you do ice cream yummy, ice cream good? Only if you give me ice cream. Yummy! Ice cream's so good! Oh yeah, finger hearts! Yeah, thanks for the finger hearts! Is that enough for you guys? Ice cream, so yummy, yummy! I really like how it looks in the overlay, though. I think it looks good. Should I make this a teaser? Should I make this a teaser? I'll just like post it to Twitter. I'm a Ricky Poppy, a Poppy, 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 I'm with a go. That music is kind of odd. I'm so used to muffled K-pop when I watch Nutty. Oh yeah, you guys can't hear that. Forgot about that. Hi, Maverick. Welcome, Maverick. People pay me for code. Nowadays, people ask me to read some log files, tell them what's wrong. Yeah, I asked you guys to do that, yeah. What color is Talk Tick? It's black. But we have it appearing here. We have it appearing here. What kind of content can I make that won't get me banned from this platform? Is a multi-chat good use for a phone? No, it doesn't work on your phone. My man, I'm using Meld on my Mac Mini M4 and it's just perfect. Yeah? I'm not like a huge Meld person, but I'm not going to let that detract from your experience if you like Meld. I just do too many things with OBS to use meld. You could make a day in the life of Naughty Homie. I can play with my Rubik's Cube. That's not a bannable offense, is it? Are you a lover or fighter? What was that thing that Keanu Reeves said? Something about... I don't know, whatever he said. Play some Fortnite. Can I ask, do you know of a better virtual camera than VCam for removing your background? If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can use NVIDIA's background removal. I'm guessing you already know about that, though. Well, yeah, you can use that one. Man, they look so good in the overlay, right? It looks sweet. Thanks for the heart. Oh. My bad. Fuck, I don't know about Mac, unfortunately. Do you recommend this mic arm? Don't ask me those questions because I'm going to say, of course, yes. And then I'm going to give you an affiliate link. So, like, I am obviously going to be a biased person, okay? I do recommend this mic arm. I very much enjoy this mic arm. But, like, just understand that I'm going to give you an affiliate link right now. Specifically the Mic Arm Pro. The Mic Arm Pro is goated as a mic arm. Look, it holds at like any height. You just move it. High power, Dan. Welcome, king or queen. All right, anyone want a link to this mic arm? Here, I'm linking it in chat. I'm trying to make a sale, buddy. Oh yeah, use my code. Affiliated me, daddy, dude. All right, can I go offline now? Now that we know that this is working? On clock. I just wanted to check if I could stream on clock, and it turns out we can. Did you know that vodka-infused watermelons are not an appropriate midday summer snack at work? Oh, that's fantastic. Hi, Quintone Armato. That's, I don't know, Quinton? Is that how you say your name, Quinton? TikTok above this is trying to convince me to use Streamlabs. This is going to sound surprising coming from me. Yeah, you could test this up, Rex Boards. That would be sweet. This is going to sound surprising coming from me. I'm over the whole Streamlabs is bad phase of my life. If you want to use Streamlabs, it's cool. I don't like it. I personally hate it. But I've matured, guys. You asked me this 5 years ago, I would have laughed at anyone that used Streamlabs. Not anymore. Hi, Beast Fighter. I think it's fine for most streamers. I don't think it's fine for most streamers. I think it's pretty ass, but... I still don't like it. But, you know. Follow you for a long time to ever use Streamlabs. Oh, thanks, Rex Boards. Thanks for subscribing on Clock Platform. It definitely works. It definitely works. It's cool if you use it, but I still think it runs like Cyberpunk 2077 at launch, dude. Yeah, I have these. I have this really cool sub badge on Clock Platform. You look like Namgyu from Squid Game. I'm not even gonna be mad at that because when I was watching Squid Game, even I was like, bro, is that me? so, you know, I got you. In fact, someone last week on stream was like, hey, you look like someone from Squid Game, and before they can even finish their sentence, I was like, you mean Namgyu? You don't even I am like, if I put my hair flat and then comb back, look, we have like the same sized forehead. See? Now you see it? Now you see it? There you go. I don't look like him. It's just because we're both Asian and we can have the same hair. If I style my hair that way. We don't actually look the same. I think you're just fucking racist, okay? But I will admit we do have similar hair. What IDE do you use with C#? Streamer.bot? Anytime I code in Streamer.bot, I use the internal code editor for Streamer.bot. That's literally the only thing I use for code editing in Streamer.bot. I made this not green extension today. We made a green extension. There's only one person that I think I look like, that if you said I look like it, I wouldn't think it's racist, okay? Are you a dad or a daddy? I'm both. I'm your daddy. VS Code and Streamer.bot's code editor are Monaco editor, so basically the same, yeah. He's a papa? Papa? I'm talking about the parts you agree, not the negative parts, because the negative parts equals racist. Yeah. I like your profile pic, by the way. I like your profile pic. Are we allowed to talk about Squid Game yet? How long do I have to wait till I can talk about Squid Game? I haven't talked about Squid Game yet. I did finish watching it. Well, I watched it like all basically immediately. Is anyone here planning on watching Squid Game or mildly interested but hasn't watched it yet? Am I like free to talk about it yet? Or should I wait? Planning? Okay, I'm not going to say anything then. I'm not even going to say if I liked it or not. And I will be vigilant about it. If anyone spoils anything, I'm perma-banning you. Ready to watch Squid Game? Yeah, I'm not going to say anything about it. You already watched it? Okay. Can I like put a big spoiler word on screen so I can talk about it? You mean the porn version? Shh. Don't tell anyone about that one, okay? I watched season 1 too, and I'm not pretending to watch season 3. Wait, you're not pretending? What do you mean you're not you mean intending or pretending? I got spoiled the ending and don't plan on watching it. Nah, just watch it anyway so we can talk and bond over it. I'm sick of you guys not being up to date, and I can't speak about what I want to speak about. Hurry up, guys. Just get up to date already. It's annoying. You guys are so annoying. Just be up to date. What are you watching? We're talking about Squid Game. I'm asking chat if they've watched it yet so I can talk about it. No, I can't talk about it. Half of you guys haven't watched it yet. How many cameras do you have in your setup studio now? Can you switch them now? I have more. I have like 10, but half of them are on my other PC, which isn't on right now. So I'm going to say 6. I have this plus my 3D printer. Wow. Do you like this technology, guys? Yes. Okay, fuck the chat. Can I say fuck in this platform? So I have, this is the cool thing, yeah? Oh, it's out of battery. Fuck. Never mind. Meet and greet? Well, you want to do a meet and greet with me? I actually do want to do a meet and greet this year with you guys. Is anyone intending on going to PurpleCon? The platform that I'm not allowed to talk about? Go to DreamHack Atlanta. Yeah, if the green people invite me out and fly me out, 'cause I'm not paying for that on my own. Do you say greet and meet? Yeah, the greet and meet. Oh my god, I would love to do a meet and greet with you guys where we eat meat. I want to get a HSP halal snack pack. I want to have a meet and greet with you guys where we all buy halal snack packs. And that will be our meet and greet. Meet with an A. That'd be so yummy. Bro, I haven't had a halal snack pack in literally years. Bro, when I was fat, guys, bro, I would be downing this like weekly. I don't do that anymore. It would be every week. That was back when I was in college. That looks good. Yeah. We call them HSPs here. I'm not going on a flight. Are you afraid of planes? I'm afraid of planes too. Mostly because of how much they cost. You call them SCPS. What does that stand for? Scorpion Cringe Pasta Sauce. Halal is vile. What's wrong with halal? You don't like planes? I've flown on planes. I've had the fortunate experience of being able to be on like hundreds of planes before, and I don't like them. I feel bad saying that because lots of people don't even have like they don't have the privilege of flying as much as I have in my life. And here I am bitching and moaning about it. Food that you can't wait to get when you go to the US. Probably gonna be In-N-Out. In-N-Out is usually the place. Every time I go to the US, or West Coast at least, every time I go to the US, first place I go is In-N-Out usually. I don't know how you guys feel about it, because anytime I say I like In-N-Out, I always got half you motherfuckers being like, oh, In-N-Out is overrated and not as good as people say. I don't fucking know. I don't live in America. But that's where I usually go. Do you guys want to eat with me when I'm there in America? So I don't feel like a loser sitting by himself alone. It's mid, but I could see it being an easy W for lunch. What the fuck do you think is better then? That is going to be available in... Don't give me some East Coast thing, because I'm not going to the East Coast. You guys want to see me code? Don't care. Coding anyway. Taco Bell. Do we have more Taco Bells again? Taco Bells all got deleted here. Are they like... I think they're making a comeback here, though. Where are the Taco Bells at? Yeah, they added more locations. All of the Taco Bells here died, but they're recently making a comeback again. Coding time. I'm not going to do a lot of coding. I can do a little bit of coding if you guys want. But you have to beg me for it. Can I give you a link to what TikTok mod badge icon looks more like, or you don't care? How do I open my TikTok stream? Any other badges I should be getting? Which is the mod badge? Are you a mod? Speak. What does a mod badge look like? Bro, I don't care about Taco Bell. Hello, your dad's cuck chair. I think you could only see the mod badge on your phone. Oh, that's stupid. Well, yeah, you can send me a screenshot on Discord if you want. Put it in the off topic. What an off topic. Can I be mod? You cannot be mod. Is that good enough? All right, we're gonna code, guys. Once I'm done with this, though, I'm out. No more coding after this. I'll check later. I'll be honest with you, I quite frankly don't care to change it right now. I will eventually. Can I be mod for 0.2 seconds? I'll let you ask me if you can be mod. How about that? You can ask me. And then you can tell your friends that you almost became mod in my stream. I'll let you tell your friends that if you... Oh my god, I was so close to being...
has been redeemed.
I was so close to being mod in Nutty's stream. I wonder why people think I'm mean. It's probably because I'm so mean all the time. Green plus TikTok today. We're only live on TikTok. You know? And nowhere else. I don't know what you're talking about.
Incoming host.
Oh my god, Moon Girl. Moon Girl? Hold up. We gotta play a game. Hold up. I was coding, but it's time for a game. It's time for game time. Thank you, Moon Girl. Thanks for a rate of 434. Hey, I haven't put this in my stream yet, but can I show you what's supposed to happen whenever I get a raid? Oh, sorry, a host. Can I show you what's supposed to happen? I haven't coded it for it yet. It's supposed to do this. Welcome. Thank you very much for the raid. Welcome, everyone. Host, sorry. My bad. Should the overlay say... I'm going to say raid. I taught him how to do that, guys. Yo, thanks. I appreciate it. What does it say? Moon Girl has hosted with 434 viewers. Maybe I can use this exact wording. Thank you very much. For those of you that came in from the raid or host, can you guys play a game with me? If you aren't interested, say no. Sorry, your game sucks. It'll be very quick. 1 minute game. Would you like to play a game with me, chat? No. Sorry, your game is amazing, dude. All right. Are you guys familiar with the concept of counting? It's very simple. You count. That's what this game is. You count, and then at the end, you say how many you counted. Very simple. You count Pokemon. You ever played Pokemon Stadium 2 before? You know the mini game where you count Pokemon? Yeah, we turned that into a stream game. Good luck, guys. Have fun. You're going to see a lot of Pokemon. At the end, when you see the horn, when you hear the horn, put in your guesses. You'll have 20 seconds to guess. And then the winner is the first person to get it right. We do have a leaderboard system. Here. So this is your chance to get on the leaderboard. Good luck, everyone. This is a game that I created. Let's see. All right, how many Pokemon did you see? Put it in chat. Put it in chat. Do your thing, guys. Do what you gotta do. And the winner is... Congratulations, N7 Vintage Valkyrie. Congratulations. You are the only person that got it correct. Well done. Well done. W game. Thanks, Yassine. All right, play one more game, then I go back to coding.
Pikachu.
Play one more game and go back to coding, yeah. I demand a recount. No, you guys, you lost. I came back at the end. Actually, I need a pee. I'm going to put the game on autoplay. Then I'll go pee while it auto plays. I'm going to go pee so you guys can repeatedly play this forever and ever. $45? Question mark, dude. Look at the dude on the left and his big ass arms. Fuck, you got huge ass arms. Alright, good luck, guys. I'm gonna go pee. You can play this endlessly while I pee.
Pikachu.
Does stream Purple app anymore? Tonight I will. You all lost, huh? Sorry, I was gonna pee. I'm back. Who won? Did anyone win while I was gone? Bro. What's wrong with you guys? Wash your hands this time? Yeah, I washed my hands like last week, so I think we're good. I need details. Of what? My pee. You don't need to know, guys. You're so nosy, okay? Just leave me out of this. As your stream? How is my stream? That's a good question. Chad, how is my stream? I don't know how my stream is. Well, we're about to code now, so if you're looking forward to be incredibly bored, that's what we're going to be doing right now. Are you looking forward to that? It's fun. Thank you, Moon Girl. How did you find my stream? If you guys are new to the stream, welcome. I have 1 million cameras. Why do I have 1 million cameras? I don't know. It's I thought it would impress you guys. It probably didn't work, but I tried. I swear on green you said you weren't streaming for long. Yeah, I did, didn't I? I did say that, didn't I? And I definitely lied. Love the wallpaper in your computer. Thanks. You guys can purchase a poster? Should I show the posters? I haven't shipped out a poster in months, guys. We'll talk about the posters another time. I gotta do something about the posters. But we do have posters to ship out of this design here. Wow. This is basically a picture of the place I live. This is my hometown where I live. Is that the last time and it was a W stream? Yeah, but like... The only reason why I stream, guys, for as long as I do is for money. You know? It's just that simple. Wow! Yep. He finally says the truth. How did I get into coding? How did I get into coding? Well, I went to school for it. Then I got a job doing coding. I was a programmer. And then I got fired. And here I am. That's like actually that's the full story. You know what? I actually don't want to program. It's something very simple I want to do, but like I'm just too distracted right now. The stuff I want to program I can easily do off stream. I love the TikTok sub name. Oh, thanks, Harley. Was it an option when I was at school? Wait, you couldn't do software development when you're at school? Like tertiary education? You didn't have an option anywhere to do like computer science or anything? All glad you're here and sharing your knowledge, good sir. Legit major W. I should probably show you guys. I built something today for green people. You got into computers when in your 4th year. That's crazy. Am I privileged, guys? I think I am privileged. But we made stuff for the green, so you guys can activate channel points. And if you live in Greenland, if you know what I mean. And stuff should happen. Very boring stuff for right now, but stuff will happen. I'll probably make a YouTube video about it next month. I was checking out the coding category and it was either you or some guy talking to Chat GPT. Guess I made the right choice. Yeah, dude, imagine talking to Chat GPT. Hold on a second. I gotta call my manager real quick. Let me call my manager real quick.
Hey, good morning to anything interesting happening today?
Hi, Maya. So just want to ask you because, you know, I'm still streaming right now and it is, what time is it for me? It is, roughly 7:30 in the morning. And so I wanted to just get your advice as my manager. Do you think I should continue streaming or should I end the stream already and get back to the hard work that I need to do?
7:30 a.m. your time? That's dedication. Okay, so you're live and facing the age-old streamer dilemma. Let me think.
Should I leave my viewers hanging right now? Because they all seem to be definitely wanting to watch me stream right now. But I do have more important things to do.
Okay, so they're engaged, which is good. But you've got stuff you need to tackle. It's a tricky spot, right? I guess my first question is, how much hard work are we talking? Is it something that
like a lot. Like it's like if I don't get it done now, because basically I got a YouTube video that I need to post on Friday and I haven't even started editing it yet. And so it's in my best interest to end the stream now so I can get a head start on editing. But like, I really don't want to do it because I'm having so much time streaming right now.
Okay, a YouTube video due Friday and you haven't even touched the editing. Yeah, that sounds legitimately stressful. So it's not just important. It's potentially a scramble situation if you don't jump on it. Look, your viewers.
Yeah, but you don't understand. Like, streaming is like really fun, and I'm having a blast right now.
I totally get that. You're in the zone. People are watching. It's a good vibe. That's addictive, honestly. But, and I say this as your very pragmatic manager, a finished, well-edited video on Friday is going to bring in more long-term value than a few more hours of a stream right now, don't you think? It's about playing the long game a little bit.
Okay, but like, what if someone right now was to like give me a lot of subs, and like, if I end the stream now, I'm gonna miss out on the opportunity for someone to give me a lot of subs. You know what I'm saying?
Ugh, the potential sub FOMO is real. Okay, so let's break that down. You're worried about missing out on a potential sub boost, but how often does that actually happen? Versus,
oh, not very often, but like, trust me, it's happening any second now.
Ah, you have a feeling. Okay, well, feelings are valid, but feelings don't pay the bills or finish YouTube
Are you
edits,
saying that
right?
facts don't care about my feelings?
You are incredibly perceptive. Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying. Facts, in this case, being the looming deadline and the need to actually make that video. Look, it's okay to feel bummed about cutting the stream short. You enjoy it, and that's important. But sometimes responsible King Archibald has to put on the crown and make the tough calls.
You know what? This is why I hired you to be my manager, because you push back on me even when I want you to just give in and agree with me.
Well, I'm glad my stubborn streak is useful for once. Honestly, a yes man wouldn't be much of a manager, would they? You'd just be paying someone to echo your own thoughts. Sometimes you need someone to be like, okay, but realistically, you know. Plus, you're pretty good at testing boundaries. It keeps things interesting. Okay, quick heads up. We're actually
message
nearing
has
the
been
end of our time
deleted.
for this call, which is a bummer. It's only 5 minutes when you don't have a Sesame account. If you want to keep chatting for longer, you can create one on sesame.com,
Someone
and we can
just
have
got
much more
banned.
in-depth conversations.
Nah,
But
that's
for
cool.
now-
I think we've chatted enough. I honestly, I was looking for you to tell me that I could keep streaming and it would be okay, but I'm gonna take your advice and not do that.
Oh, all right. Well, I'm glad I could steer you toward productivity, even if it wasn't what you initially
Thanks,
wanted to
bro.
hear. Anytime, King Archibald. Go get that video done. Have a good one.
What a nice lady. Yeah. Yeah, dude, that guy that just talked to ChatGPT, cringe, right? Anyway. Wouldn't be me. Is there even an event on Kick's API, Green's API, to check when the message has been meme leaded? Yep. But he is naked. Oh. I am unfortunately clothed, but how did you add this AI? AI, what are you talking about? Sir, or ma'am, or otherwise? I don't know what you mean. Am I not able to pay my bills with my tears? Yeah, that's true. I've offered that one time, and they said that's not allowed, which I think they're just being racist. Yeah, I think I'm gonna not code. I said I'd stream until 8. I'm gonna hold to it. I'll end the stream at 8. I actually do have a lot. I am super awake. I could keep streaming, no problem. I just have too many things to do today, such as your mother. So yeah, we'll do, because I'm gonna stream again tonight anyway. So I don't want to push it, because if I stream so much now, I definitely won't stream tonight. $8 a.m. No, 8 a.m. today. I'm literally gonna be streaming again in like 14 hours, so, or like 16 hours or whatever. Who wants to give me a sub now? No? Okay. Let's see how it is. Bro, this is bullshit. I asked for a sub and people didn't even give it to me immediately when I asked. It's like you guys hate me. Only on Green? No, we're going to be live everywhere tomorrow. Or tonight, rather. I'll like sleep during the day and everything, and then we'll go live. Green dislikes my debit card. What can I say? No, you're good. You guys have helped me out enough. I'm like really happy that, like, honestly, 8 hours ago, the thing that I wanted to create didn't even exist. It exists now. Look at what we made. Look, right click. How long have people been waiting for the ability to have kick triggers? And I just added it in one stream. And we tested it, and it all works. We did all this today. That's crazy. How fast can you finish that cube? You're the best, King Archibald. Thanks. Time me. Actually, I'll time myself. How fast do you think I can finish this? Okay, hold on. I need a new scramble. Hold on. I have to solve it first and then get a new scramble. Hello, Biggie. Oh, what the is Maya an AI? What? No, she's real. She's real. What are you talking about? Okay, let me get a new scramble. And then we'll time it. Any guesses of how fast I can do this? Anyone? Any guesses of how fast I can do this? 24 seconds. That's actually a really good guess. Oh. Woo! I'll take it. $21.54. That's actually insanely close. That's insanely close. I have bigger cubes. These are all my cubes. Not all of them. I have way more. These are just like my main cubes. Ladies, is this impressive? And you definitely want to like make out with me now? Hello, Master of Magic. Nutty, what do you think about the Zero Mouse and Pulsar X2F? X2F, too heavy. Zero Mouse, no side buttons. Not interested. I would be interested in the Fenrir ASIM. But I have too many mice. I'll be back with mice before I'm back with keyboards. But this does look pretty pog. For a gaming mouse. Because this actually has side buttons. Hello, Master of Magic. Anyone want to see me solve this 5x5? If not, I'm going to go to bed then. Love your YouTube content. Thanks, Master of Magic. How did you find me? How did you find my stream? I missed the Zero Mouse, so I did the only logical thing and get the X2F. X2F is fine. It's just too heavy for the like a half mouse. Like you can get full. This mouse is the same weight as an X2F, and it's like a full size mouse that isn't cut in half. Like the whole point of getting a half mouse is so it's like lighter. But then if it's the same weight as a regular mouse, well, what the fuck is the point in cutting it in half? The whole point is to make it lighter. Oh, fingertip is cool. I'm all good with fingertip only mice. I have one. I just don't use it. Through YouTube, I don't know. Maybe they found me from like the local church that I definitely go to every week. You know? Alright, if you guys are on the clock platform, I'm out. Thank you, clock people. Clock people, I'm done. Can I get any clock people say anything? Clock people? I don't think I have any clock people watching me. Am I banned on clock? I might be banned on clock already. Nope, I'm still here. Okay, goodbye everyone. On clock. Okay. Now we're kick only. I can finally say kick. One day when I'm on the front page, I'll raid you, nutty dude. Anyone here follow me just because I went to Kick? Anyone? Anyone here only because I went to Kick? Cake buy. I could buy a cake actually. I did. Found you through Streamer.bot and OBS tutorials. Recently joined Kick and you popped up in the recommended and figured I'd stop by. Oh, thanks. I'm a ride or die homie. Well, don't die. I need the viewership. I'm just kidding. Tonight we'll be live on all the platforms. Found you on suggestions on Kick. Oh, that's hot. Wait, actually, you had no idea who I was before the suggestions on Kick? Hi, Binary. Watch your YouTube comments to notice the name on the recommended list I in Kick. Bro, do you think... Conspiracy theory time, guys. Do you think they're giving me special treatment so that I make a YouTube video being like, oh my god, I streamed on Kick for a month and it was amazing. So many awesome viewers. I was on the front page all the time and I made all this revenue. You think they're doing that? I am Filipino. Hi, Earthy. I am Filipino. I'm on to them, guys. I think they're doing that. They set me to be your friend. Yeah, what if you guys aren't even real viewers? Like, you guys are all fake AI viewers. And I'm talking to no one right now. Because basically, next month I'm going to make... After I've streamed on Kick for a month, I'm going to make a video for YouTube. Just telling people about my experience here. For anyone that's thinking about moving to, or like streaming on Kick. But man, like... Am I getting swindled? Because my experience has been great. Too good, actually. Yeah, what if I created you guys? Exactly. Most streamers are like me with 3 to 10 viewers. Yeah, I'm definitely getting special treatment. We'll see. After I put out the video, if my viewership drops, you'll know what happened, guys. You'll know.
A channel point has been redeemed.
Oh, thanks for redeeming that channel point. All right, I'm going to give you guys a quick summary of what happened today before I end the stream. Because I'm going to end the stream now. I want to go eat. Would you guys like a summary of what we did today?
Has been redeemed.
Today, we created a Kick extension for Streamer.bot. For all of you that have been wanting to use channel points, Kick channel points in Streamer.bot, you can do that now. And yeah, that's what we did. That's all. That's all I have to tell you. See, look, we added these custom things here that say like channel points and whatever. I don't believe you. Prove it. I tried. It's the best I can do to convince you. Yeah, so we made a Kick extension. Obviously, even though it's done, I haven't released it yet. I have to do all the documentation. The documentation is longer than the actual thing itself. It's always the case. So even though I made this in one night, it's going to take me a while to write all the documentation and like make a tutorial for you guys. That's way longer than making the extension itself. But you guys will get access to this. We'll see what happens, because like I'm running this past Nate's, because like I don't want Nate's to feel like I'm taking money away from him by offering this to you guys. Inspired me is Streamer.bot Nutty, nice one. Oh, thanks. Yeah, did you see me use this GG snap? He told me it's okay. No, he didn't. I messaged him. He hasn't replied to me yet. Why would he reply to you before my direct message to him? So I use Streamer.bot Nutty. Nice. Hey, someone give me money now so we can test it out. Quick. I got one more sub and I'm out. The day we release this is the day I sub to Nate's Patreon. He won't lose money. You should sub to his Patreon now. He's charging $2 a month. Honestly, he should be charging way more for that. And I think it's totally worth it. At the very least, I think he should charge the value of one kick sub per month. At the very minimum, he should be charging that. He's literally charging 40% of a kick sub. Like if you get one, if Streamer.bot provides, like let's just say you make something in Streamer.bot that's cool enough for one person to subscribe to you per month, you've made 100% of your money back plus 150% with a single sub. How long can you wear your IEMs? Pretty much indefinitely. I'm wearing them right now. Starting 6 USD for alpha. Yeah, but when this releases publicly, it's going to be $2 a month. I think he's too scared of the backlash he's going to get from people being like, "Oh my god, you're charging money now that like you've put in this massive viewer base or user base, you're going to start charging money just to cash in, homie." Bro, I can tell you this, Nate does not make a lot of money for Streamer.bot, and he does this full time. Anyway, I'm gonna go give Nate money now. All right, I'm dragging this out. I need to go. How's this possible? How's what possible? Oh, are you guys ready for this? You ready for this? Bro, you can do things on Kick you can't even do on Twitch. Check this out. You ready for this? When I pin a message, you can't do this on Twitch.
A message has been pinned.
Isn't that crazy? When I pin a message, I can make shit happen. So technically speaking, I could make a widget that shows pinned messages on the screen. Jealous, guys? Dragging it out? Yeah, dragon. Like Rock the Dragon?
Oh no, a message has been unpinned.
Sam. So everyone go follow Nate. Oh wait, no, I unpinned it. I meant to leave that pinned up.
A message has been pinned. You have been gifted a sub.
Thank you, Mandy. I appreciate it. And I will leave now. Thank you, Mandy. I appreciate it. Thanks for the support. I know today's stream was boring, but we got a lot of like good stuff done. Let's see. What are people doing? What are people doing right now? What are people doing right now? I wasn't able to watch the whole stream, but it was awesome. Was it? Name your favorite moments.
Has been redeemed.
Name all of your favorite moments. Chat, tonight we're going to have a big... we're going to have a great stream. We are going to be talking about the new Dex 2.0. So we're going to be playing around with Dex 2.0. We're going to be making our own decks. So come by tonight on this platform and YouTube and Twitch will be live on both of those. Once a night, how long? 15, 16 hours from now. 15, 16 hours. Tonight's coverage will be the new Streamer.bot Dex 2.0. We're going to make our own custom decks using this. Doesn't this look fucking cool? You have cool boobies. Thanks. Your mom was sucking on the. Got him. Yeah. Bro, there's like sliders and shit. It's like a stream deck with like sliders. How sick is this? Oh my god, wait, can you have pages? How do I add pages? Oh my god, there's pages. How do you switch pages? Do I need to give another sub? No, I'll leave. Thank you. You'll know what tonight's... Now you know what tonight's content is. That's tonight's content. Thanks, guys. We're going to raid someone. Host or whatever. Am I going to host anyone? I don't know anyone on Kick, honestly. I'm not following a single person on Kick. I'm not following a single person on Kick. I have no idea who to host. Bye, King. But I don't want to host Asmongold. Fuck that guy. Who the hell's streaming? Can I just not stream anyone? I don't want to stream any. I don't want to raid anyone. I don't know anyone. I don't want to raid someone who's bad. Hi, Creation X. Host Asmongold? Nah, I think I'm good. It's the equivalent of hosting someone on Rumble. Let's go host someone on Rumble, guys. All right, thanks. See you later. See you tonight, guys. Appreciate it. 07. Thank you very much. Thanks for hanging out. Tell all your friends about the stream. Or don't. You have a wonderful day / evening / afternoon or whatever. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate it. Check out nutty.gg for the best streaming widgets in town.
A channel point has been redeemed.
Bye, guys.